What's up, my babies? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Courtney, or Kay, if you do not know. First things first, I would just like to say that my lip gloss is popping. No Lil Mama. So jump. Jesus.
Oh my God, it's so different now. Yeah, how they used to hit me, now they let me down. Yeah, I remember days of wearing hand-me-downs. Yeah, got it out the mud, they understand me now. I swear I'm just a young nigga, keep counting up a check. I've been having fun.
So jumping right into this video, the reason you clicked on it was because you wanted to see how I make my lashes longer and look like false lashes without actually putting on false lashes. If you have followed my channel, you know that I refuse to ever wear false lashes. Like I don't know. I tried them twice. One was for prom and the other was just because my mom wanted to dress me up like a doll, and she does her own lashes. So she just put some individual lashes on. But when she put those on me, I had them on for legit 3 days, and I was over it because I couldn't wash my face how I wanted to. It was just too much. False lashes may be for you, but they're just not for me. The reason that I'm afraid to try them is because like I have really long eyelashes already, and I feel like when you wear false lashes, individuals, the strips, when you take them off, or even when they come off, that glue is literally stripping off your real lashes. So I don't want to take that chance. I want to preserve mine. They fall out and I literally cry. I literally get so sad, like, oh my gosh, that's my lash. I try my best to take care of my lashes. Even at night when I wash my face, I put black Jamaican castor oil on the top as well as the bottom of my lashes because that helps with, I guess, growing them and just making them stronger. So baby, I do it every single night, okay? So I won't talk you guys' ear off. I believe that you can make your lashes look bomb with just using two things. That is a bomb eyeliner, and that is a bomb mascara. So the things that I'm going to be using are, I'm using NYX products today. I'm using one of my favorites eyeliners. It's the NYX matte liquid liner. You can use a gel if you like gel, or you can even use a pencil. I know some people who do use pencils. Liquid liner is just, it's my fave. So this is just my go-to that I use. And then the product that's going to help us along today is the NYX Double Stack Lash Kit. And then on the back, it has like the steps, and you can see right here, this is how it started and this is how it ended. Before we even get into how to apply this, I'm gonna start off with putting on my eyeliner. Let me put my little wing together. It's like an actual rare occasion where I actually get my wings to match. And clearly today is not that day. So jumping back into mascara, this little kit is like it's a 3-step application. What you do is you take the black bottle, and it also has it labeled on here like steps 1 and 3, and then this is step 2. So basically the black is just, it's the base and the top coat. So it's just a regular mascara. So you just apply it. Ooh, vavoom. Baby, that gave me instant volume. You see that? Look at this. And look at, girl, you better stop playing with me. After you apply the base coat, then you go in with step 2. And this is literally, these are fibers, okay? And all you're doing is like adding, basically it's adding more volume, more fiber to your lash to make them appear longer. The trick with these is, though, I will say be careful not to get them so low, like by your eye, because they could get into your eye, and that is just, that's a bad situation. Try to keep them as close to the tip as possible. I went ahead and did my bottom lashes as well, if you can see. And now for the third step, we're gonna go back in with the regular mascara. You know when you hit your eye and it just start watering out of nowhere? Quit crying, Court. Okay, so like, I don't even need to say words. Like, look, like, and the light is shining on. Like, come on, push through. I mean, it's a no-brainer. I just got amazed all over again because I haven't used this in a while. It's been a couple months since I used this, and girl, I just got amazed because I forgot the magic that it creates. I am shooketh. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm seeing in this mirror, but what I see is a miracle. That is Jesus himself touched that. I am really lost for words. Dang, sis, like NYX. I didn't know y'all was coming like that. Well, y'all clearly see me here. I'm gonna do my other eye off camera and I'm gonna come back because I need this fly to match this fly. Okay, so here's my other eye. Like, I'm just as shook. Now, one thing that I would say that I don't particularly like is I don't like for my lashes to look clumpy. And it's kind of giving me like a clump, like my mascara is kind of like not good because it's my lashes are clumping together. It looks like I have on a bunch of mascara because of how my lashes are like clumping together. But honestly, I'm gonna look past it because my eyelashes, they look like they're just amazing right now. Now I'm trying to figure out if the clumps make my lashes look thin or if they make them like, you know what I mean? You know, you get what I'm saying? I don't know. I like to have full looking lashes. I'm trying to like brush them out a little bit with my hair. That's my only concern about this product. I do love it, but that will be my only like issue with it is that it's making my eyelashes look clumped. So maybe what I would do afterwards would be to get a spoolie and kind of like comb them out. But overall, honey, I mean, you can't really tell me too much right now because I just got the same look that you get by applying the wispies, the falsies, all of that, and I didn't have any glue and I didn't add any lash. If you guys are feeling this look, give it a big thumbs up and let me know if you tried this before and how it worked out for you. I did see a lot of reviews on this product and they were just kind of like, meh. I guess to each his own because it worked for me and I can only speak about my personal experience. So let me know if you had a good or bad experience with this, if you have used it before. I will try to find it. I'm sure it is online. So I will try to find it on Amazon or whatever and I will link it in the description box below. But I actually bought mine in a drugstore when I was in Holland and I had never seen it before on shelves. And they had it on sale for like $4. Well, it was on sale for like €4. No, I think it was on sale for like €3 actually in the drugstore. So not many people were reacting to it well, or they just didn't want to try it. I'm not sure, but I was like, oh, mascara on sale, give me that. And I wasn't even thinking that it would be what it is. Once again, if you all like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, like, what are you doing? Let's talk about it. Seriously, like, what are you doing? Hit that red subscribe button and then hit the bell that's next to it to turn on the notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. Like, what? I'm so tired. Please just ignore me. That's all for this video. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. Of course, it will be on the screen as well as down below in the description box. And like, that's all for this video. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I can't wait to see you again. Now give me a kiss. Mwah.